Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a form in ACCES. So let's begin without any delay. As you can see, I have opened a new database right here. Now I will save this table as table 1. Then I will go to design view. Then in the design view, I will add the required informations. The first one I will add is student ID, which will be not auto number but number. Then I will add student name, which will be short text. Then student class, which will be number. Then student roll number, which will be number. Then I will add student's phone number, which will be large number. Then I will add father's name, which will be short text. Then mother's name, which will be short text. Then gender, which I will go to lookup wizard and I will select this option. I will type in the values that I want. Then next. Then in column here, column 1, I will add the first option male and the second one female. Then next. Then I will take this one, allow multiple values, then finish. Then I will add nationality, which will be short text. Then I will add religion, which will be again short text. Then mother tongue, which will be short text. Then I will add upload photo, which I will select as attachment. Then I will save it. Then I will go to datasheet view. Then I will select table 1 in the navigation window. Then I will go to create. Then from forms section, I will choose form wizard. In form wizard, I will add all of this data in my form. So I will choose this button. But if you want to choose any one or two sections, then you can select the section like this and click this button to add like this. Now next, then I will choose how I want my form to appear, like columnar, tabular, datasheet or justified. For now I will choose columnar. Then again next, Then I will select this option, modify the form's design, then finish. As you can see, our form is right here ready and we are in the form design view. In form design view, we can maintain the size of the boxes as per our choice. For my opinion, I will smaller the student ID box and student name also, and this input field also. You can see that I have done resizing the box. Now I will delete the box of upload photo, this one. Then I will drag the upload photo input box up right here. Then I will select this table 1 box, then drag it all the way right here. Now I will go to home, then set the alignment to center, then type in a name. As I am creating a student's declaration form, so I will write declaration form as the heading. Then I will color this. I will give this brown and done. Now I will save it. Then I will go to the form design again and input some buttons. For the first button, I will input submit. After this panel opens, I will go to record operations, then save record, next, then text. I will give the save record button a name which will be submit, then finish. Then I will add another button which will be delete or clear. Again record operations, delete record, next. Again we will select text, then give it a name. I will give it clear. Then finish. Then I will add a last button which will be new. Record operations, add new record, next. Again we will select text. Then I will give it a name which will be new and then finish. You can see that I have added 3 buttons. Now I will drag these 3 buttons at the bottom of the form right here. Now we will again save it, then go back to the form view. In the form view, I will input a student ID. You can see beforehand I've inputted as the student ID, then student name, then I will add student class, then student roll number, then student's phone number. I will give some random numbers. Then for the father's name, then mother's name, then after clicking this drop down arrow, I will select male as the gender, then OK, then nationality Indian, then religion I will give Hindu, then mother tongue I will give Bengali. Now after I click the submit button here, before clicking the submit button, we will add the picture by clicking the input box and then this button, then add. I will add this picture, then OK. You can see the picture is added. Now we will click submit. Now after we go to the table 1 and click refresh here, you can see the things are added in this form. Now I will again go to the form. Then if I click clear, then I go back here and click refresh, all the things are gone. Now let me again input the details. Then I will again click submit. Now I will again go to table 1, then refresh. The data is added again. Then if I go to table 1, the form, then click new, a new record enters in table 1. Now I will fill up this record. Then if I click submit, then the record gets entered here like this. So this is how you create a form in ACCESS. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.